do it. Don't steer in the rock.
Hey, Mimi.
Huh?
That's my helmet.
Take off riding. Oh, there you go.
Good job. Now coast a little bit. Maybe if you come down the hill, you'll get to coast.
Hey, Nini.
Huh?
My garage is on something.
Take him up that little hill and turn him around and... Yeah.
Whee!
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That's the way. Now you're scooting. Excellent scooting. Go back around. Did you toot?
I did.
Excuse me. Come
Nini,
here.
I think I was a fool.
Come down this little hill. Yeah. Do you know how to steer it? Yeah, no. Turn this way. Turn that way. Turn it like that.
Hey, Mommy. I don't do that.
Woo! Good job. Good job.
Hey, Nini, I think I'm riding that scooter in this.
You are riding the scooter.
You standing on that scooter.
Yes.